Alright, hello everyone. So I'm Cam here again, the new video. Today we are going to search internship. That is really important for us. I'm also looking for the internship. That's the reason I create this video, because of I try to help you. Also I try myself help. That's the reason I try to create this video. That's something that help you maybe. That's also I'm looking for internship. That's the reason I create this video. Okay, here's the machine learning internship. I go and Cloudy Perplexity AI, and I'm search for internship for the remote, as a beginner friendly remote machine learning internship. So here is the output. It gave me some website. There I go and search for a machine learning or ML, like AI related internship. So that's the reason there is a LinkedIn also post, and here the resource all that he call it. So first of all, here the LinkedIn job. I just go there and find there the LinkedIn and GitHub. This repository, I want to show you something that's important. So here the one app remote factorship. Like here you can find internship. I not try it. Maybe I should need to try it. RECI company. So if you have to knowledge about that, I think you can share with me. That we upload another video if it was helpful. Here the remote job, hybrid job, and outside job. Okay, so here the one website, and here the machine learning internship for you can connect your country. Okay, here is the help you. So this repository I started. That's repository I really like because it updates so fast. It's a matter. It's big tech company. If you target is a big tech company, so you should need to here. You come here and other like then you can apply here. It's recently updated, so I love that. So now there is a Apple internship, Apple company, about that. So or full-time job. There you can come and work with us. Okay. Here is the famous website for Indian people. That's here is the internship you can apply here as a machine learning internship. 1 week ago, offer at LPA post internship. So you come here, and if you like that, you just data scientist. Okay, I just upload my as a machine learning resume. If you want to upload video as a resume, I will upload. If you want to do that, then you tell me, then I submit it. Okay, that's it way you can submit. But first of all, you should need to about what they want, what is the internship about, and what they want to like to do, and you should need to about the skill you have and here the question you should need to fill. Then you just apply. Okay, here's another website. You can come here and search internship, the remote internship. Another website, and well found. It was the angel list, now is a world found. And you can come here the startup, and you can get an internship in this website. I think you should come here and search you relevant skill or internship. I'm also looking for internship. If you have connected, you can connect with me. But I think if you try this type of website or apply, I think you get the internship. But I really like this website. This GitHub repo is update every day. It's new work. So if you want to work, apply first, then you get a job first. This is the first come first service. Okay, this type is. So here the internship apply. I just came this link, and I will show you. Okay, here's the internship. It's a summer AI internship. So you should need to read everything. Be careful what they want. If you match it, then you apply it. Okay. So if you want this link, I will share also. So this video about internship, I also searching. If you have found it, tell me. So bye, see you again.